project that we're working on is a $38 million 5-year project, and one of the implementing partners is World Wildlife Fund, and they're here today. And so they have set up cameras inside some of the national parks, including here at Cat Tien, which they attracts wildlife to be able to see what kind of biodiversity is here. And that's really important for things like the green list, because you're able to show, you have evidence to show what kinds of species are here. And the other is to work with local communities to help them better understand the importance of conservation and to make sure they have livelihoods that are sustainable, so they're not coming into the park to hunt or trap or to take plants and things like that. So I really think it's a combination of education, but also the actual tracking that's really been significant in Vietnam. So we're really happy we were able to do that.
In my opinion, the best opportunity for biodiversity is to invest in the existing protected area system, which is still substantial and diverse. And the green list is specifically a way to measure and report on management effectiveness. How well are you managing your wildlife? How well are you managing relations with local people? To what extent are benefits shared? How well are you managing tourism? So it's a way of, by achieving green list, and two protected areas have achieved green list in Vietnam so far, is a clear step towards demonstrating high quality management, which contributes directly to the global biodiversity framework.
Danh hiệu thì là một cái cơ quan mà bên ngoài công nhận những cái việc mà chúng tôi đang làm hiện nay, thì toàn bộ trong cái thời gian vừa rồi chúng tôi làm như thế nào, thì trong tương lai chúng tôi cũng sẽ cố gắng cam kết và thực hiện cái công việc của mình như trong hiện tại để đến tương lai. Và tôi tin rằng là với cách làm của chúng tôi như hiện nay thì cũng không có cái áp lực gì đối với chúng tôi trong cái việc mà có thể nói là bị tước mất danh hiệu, hay là không tiếp tục công nhận nữa, hay là hoặc là bị gọi là thiếu hụt các cái chỉ tiêu mà theo các cái bộ tiêu chuẩn mà IUCN người ta đưa ra.
I live in Ho Chi Minh City, which is a terrific city, but it's a big city, and so it's really nice for me to be out in nature. I had the chance to go out last night and this morning to see some of the wildlife, so we got to see some deer last night. This morning, very early, we saw a couple of family of gibbons and also the black-shanked langur. We saw one. So that was really great to hear the sounds of the birds and the wildlife, and just, of course, it's rainy and wet, but it means that the vegetation is really beautiful. So it was a great opportunity, so I really appreciate that. And I think this is a great destination for sustainable tourism, which I think is something that will help Vietnam develop in a sustainable way.